Today we see trigonometry. Trigonometry based on right angle triangle. And this is theta. Theta opposite side. Next theta next side is adjacent side. Next the 90 degree opposite side only hypotenuse. Next we use this shortcut method osa chota. First we find sin theta. S means sin. So S front O, this side H. So sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Next cos theta. This is C means cos. This front side has A, next H. So cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Next tan theta. T means tan theta. This O means opposite side by A means adjacent side. This is shortcut for this formula osa chota. S means sin theta. So sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Next C means cos theta. Cos theta adjacent side by hypotenuse. Next tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Next cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is reverse of sin theta. So cosecant theta equal to hypotenuse by opposite side. Next secant theta. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. So secant theta equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Next cot theta. Cot theta is reverse of tan theta. So cot theta equal to adjacent side by opposite side. Next secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Next cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta or sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta or tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Next cot theta. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta or cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. This formula. Memory this formula. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Cosecant theta reciprocal of sin theta. Cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta or sin theta by cos theta. Cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta or cos theta by sin theta. Next complementary angle. Complementary angle means 90 degree. And this is also formula. Sin 90 degree minus theta cos theta. Cos 90 degree minus theta sin theta. Sin change into cos, cos change into sin. Next cosecant also. Cosecant 90 degree minus theta secant theta. Secant 90 degree minus theta cosecant theta. Tan 90 degree minus theta cot theta. Cot 90 degree minus theta tan theta. The complementary angle only change like this. Sin change into cos, cos change into sin. Cosecant change into secant, secant change into cosecant. Tan change into cot, cot change into tan theta. Next the theta value. Theta 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta values. We find the values. Yes, 0. Next quarter. Next half. Next 3/4. Next 1. This is shortcut. or find the values. So you start 0 to 1. In between next 0, next quarter, next half, next 3/4. We take roots. Root 0, 0. Next we take 1/4. Take root. Root 1 is 1. Root 4, 2. Next 1/2 we take root 1, 2, 1 by root 2. Next 3/4. Root 3, root 4, answer is 2. Next we take 1 root 1, answer is 1. Next cos theta, we write in reverse. 1 root 3/2, 1 by root 2, 1/2, 0. Next tan theta, we divide sin theta divided by cos theta. 0 divided 1, 0. Next 1/2 divided root 3/2, answer 2 cancel, answer 1 by root 3. Next 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. Answer is 1. Next root 3/2 divided by 1/2, 2 cancel, answer root 3. Next 1 divided by 0, if any number is divided by 0, answer is infinity. See, write in 0 to 1, 0 quarter, 1/2, 3/4, next 1. Next we take roots. 0 root 0, answer is 0. Root 1, answer 1. We take 4 root 2. Root 4, answer is 2. Next root 1, answer 1. Root 2. Next root 3 by, we take root for 4, answer is 2. Root 3, so root 3/2. Next we take root 1, answer is 1. Next cos theta, you write in reverse. Answer 1 root 3/2, 1 by root 2, 1/2, 0. Next tan theta, we divided by sin theta by cos theta. Already tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So I divided values. 0 divided 1, 0. 1/2 divided root 3/2, 2 2's cancel, answer 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 cancel, answer is 1. Root 3/2 divided 1/2, 2 cancel, answer root 3. Next 1 divided by 0, answer infinity. Next cosecant theta. Cosecant theta already studied. The reverse of sin theta. Cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. So you write the sin theta values, you write in reverse. 0 reverse, infinity. Next 1/2 reverse, answer 2. 1 by root 2 reverse, 2. 2 by root 3. 1 reverse, 1. Next secant theta, already you know. 1 by cos theta, reverse of cos theta. So I write the cos values, write in reverse. 1 reverse, 1. Root 3/2 reverse, 2 root 3, 2 by root 3, 1 by root 2 reverse, root 2, 1/2 reverse, 2, 0 reverse, infinity. Next cot theta, 1 by tan theta, reverse of tan theta. So tan theta values write in reverse. 0 reverse, infinity. 1 by root 3 reverse, root 3, 1 reverse, 1. Root 3 reverse, 1 by root 3, infinity reverse, 0.